Hi, Grammy. This video is for you. Say hi, JJ. Say hi. Are you gonna say hi? Yeah? Was that your hi? So, I don't know if you were joining us, but we're reading The Noisy Farm. Lots of animal noises. Bzzz. Oink, oink. We were reading about the farmer getting up in the morning and the rooster goes, how's the rooster go? Yeah? Yeah? Uh-huh. You remember the rooster goes, cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah. Uh-huh. And what happens when we go cock-a-doodle-doo? The farmer gets up and he makes squeak, squeak, squeak on the floorboard. He picks up his kitty cat and goes purr, purr, goes the cat. And then the farmer goes outside and feeds Bessie the cow. Do you remember how Bessie the cow goes? Murr. Murr. JJ. 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 Splish splash goes the milk. Lip lap, lip lap. Next, the chickens must be fed. Puck, 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 puck. Puck, 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 puck. Beep, 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 beep. Hee-haw. Hee-haw goes the donkeys. Hee-haw. Yeah. Sizzle, 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 sizzle goes the breakfast. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Oh, bye-bye. Where's Mommy? Oh, bless you. Bless you. I'm gonna give you kisses. I'm gonna give you kisses. Okay. Goodbye, Granny. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye, Grammy. Say bye. I'm gonna give you kisses. I'm gonna give you kisses. Say goodbye, Grammy. I love you. Arr. Bye-bye. Oh, he's gonna go suck his fingers. Gonna suck your thumb. What you gonna do? Gonna suck your fingers? Oh! Can you get up? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Oh! But I want to get up, Mama. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.